Okay, so we have a very interesting question here, and this question is under simple harmonic motion. We have been asked to simply find the position, the velocity, and the acceleration. But then the question is saying the wheel in the simplified engine of figure 13.23 has radius A equal to 0.250 meters and rotates with angular frequency, which is omega equal to 12 radian per second at t is equal to 0. The piston is located at x is equal to A. Now we are asked to calculate the pistons, like I said, position, velocity, and acceleration. Notice we have been taught that when some time is equal to 1.15 seconds. Okay, so I'll just show you how to do this simple question. So of course we first of all start with our data. Okay, so we have been given the radius, which is stated by the amplitude. Okay, so the radius, of course, we have been given to be 0.250 meters. It rotates with angular frequency of that, so of course we're going to have the angular frequency of 12.0 radians per second. When the time, of course, is 0.0 seconds, and when x is simply equal to some A. So I'll start with first of all the position. Now for the position, remember those formulas I taught under simple harmonic motion. For the position, which is represented by the letter x, it is simply the oscillation amplitude cosine Wt. So in this case we won't put phase because we haven't been given. So displacement is equal to, what is the angular frequency? It is 0.25 cosine omega has been given to be 12, and the time has been given to, sorry, let me just put the time given, which is simply 1.15 seconds. Take note of this, don't get confused. They are asking us to find this and that at this time, so we're replacing that time with everything. So just make sure that your calculator, of course, it must be in radians. So if you do this, of course, you'll be able to find the answer for this question. Get to B, the velocity. Of course, velocity under simple harmonic motion is equal to A, which is the oscillation amplitude, then omega, then sine Wt. So the velocity, of course, what is A? A we have been given to be 0.25, omega is simply 12, sine, what is omega? 12 multiplied by 1.15. So if you do this, then of course you get this question correct. Make sure that your calculator is also in radians. Good to see. Acceleration, of course, under simple harmonic motion, if you remember, it is simply negative omega squared A cosine Wt. Acceleration is equal to negative 12 to the power 2. Amplitude is 0.25 cosine 12 multiplied by 1.15. Of course, the calculator should be in radians. If you do this, you'll be able to get even this one correct, and you'll be able to get everything. So this is just how simple this question is. Make sure that you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button and also share to others. Okay, thank you so much.